The Simple Asymmetric Mohair Shawl is a beginner-friendly crochet shawl designed to be simple and fun. The use of basic crochet stitches make it easy to create, while its asymmetric shape makes it easy to adjust its size and easy to wear as well. This crochet shawl is worked flat in one piece, holding a strand of gradient fingering weight yarn with a strand of laceweight mohair yarn. And not to worry, if you are sensitive to mohair, you can use a DK weight yarn in place of the fingering weight and lace weight held together. To create the asymmetric shape, increases are worked along one edge of the shawl only, and simple lace stripes are placed between rows of double crochet to make this project simple yet fun. For this project, I used Magic Sock Wool by Happy Sheep in the Hot and Spicy colorway. One ball was enough. You need 415 yards. And then I also used Mayflower Super Kids Silk, and I actually needed 2 of these balls because they only come in 25 grams, so to get that 415 yards, I needed 2. And I will have everything linked in the description box below as well to all of the yarns that I used. You're going to need a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. This is the Addy color-coded set. You can see the 4.5 is white. And then if you'd like to follow along the pattern with me, I will have a link to that in the description box as well. It's a free PDF download on my website. It's got all of the details, and it even has a chart. You'll need a tapestry needle to weave in your ends when you're finished. And optional but not necessary is a removable stitch marker. I got a whole box that I found online that I'll link below. I really like this little container. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Happy Sheep Magic Sock Wool in the Urban Skyline colorway. And for the mohair lace weight, I'm going to be using Hobie Kid Silk. It's 70% kid mohair, 30% silk. It is a little softer than the Mayflower Super Kid Silk. I'll have all of this linked down below as well. So to get started, you're going to make a magic ring using whatever method you prefer. This is how I start mine. I gotta move that tail out of the way. So for row 1, you're gonna chain 1, and that does not count as a stitch here and throughout the pattern. Then you're gonna place 3 double crochet in your magic ring. Once you're done, you can close up your adjustable ring. For row 2, you're going to chain 1, and you're going to place 2 double crochet in your first double crochet. And then double crochet across. You should now have 4 stitches. For row 3, you chain 1 and double crochet to the last double crochet. You can see our last double crochet there. We're going to put 2 double crochet in the last double crochet. And now we'll have 5 stitches. For rows 4 through 15, you're going to be repeating rows 2 and 3. So for the next row, you chain 1, and you're going to put 2 double crochet in the first double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet across. For the next row, you're going to chain 1, and you're going to double crochet to the last double crochet. And then you're going to put 2 double crochet in the last double crochet. You're going to chain 1, and now you can see the pattern that's going on here. We've got increases on one side and it's straight on the other side. There's no increases, but on the right side there are increases. So at this point you can get your removable stitch marker and place it on the side that we're putting our increases in case you get lost or can't remember where you are. You know, you want to increase on that marked side and keep the left side straight. Continue repeating rows 2 and 3 until you get to row 16. When you're ready to work row 16, you'll have 17 double crochet in your previous row. And you can go ahead and bring that removable stitch marker up further along that side just so that we see it and we know that's the side we're increasing on as we move forward. So for row 16, we're going to chain 1 and we're going to place 2 double crochet in the first double crochet. We're going to chain 3, we're going to skip 3 double crochet and single crochet in the next double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, we're going to single crochet, we're going to chain 3, we're going to skip 3 double crochet and double crochet in the next double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, double crochet. And we're going to repeat that across. So we're going to chain 3, we're going to skip 3 double crochet and then single crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 3, skip 3 double crochet and then double crochet in the last double crochet. For row 17, we're going to chain 1, double crochet in the first double crochet. We're going to skip the chain 3 space and put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the single crochet. So 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 1, 2, 3 double crochet, all in that single crochet, and it should look something like this. We're going to skip the next chain 3 space and double crochet in the next double crochet. And that is our repeat across. So we're going to skip the chain 3 space and then work 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and then 1, 2, 3, all in the single crochet. Double crochet, next double crochet, and we've made it to our last double crochet. We are going to chain 1 and then double crochet in that last double crochet. For row 18, we're going to chain 1. We're going to double crochet in that first double crochet. We're going to chain 2. We're going to skip our chain 1 space, and we're going to put a double crochet in the next double crochet. We're going to chain 3. We're going to skip 3 double crochet and single crochet in our chain 2 space. Then we're going to chain 3. We're going to skip the next 3 double crochet and double crochet in the next double crochet. So, chain 3, skip 1, 2, 3 double crochet and then double crochet in the next double crochet. And we're going to repeat that across. So we chain 3, we skip those 3 double crochet and work a single crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 3, skip those 3 double crochet and work a double crochet in our last double crochet here. This is what we should look like at this point. For row 19, which is the final row of our repeat, we're going to chain 1. We're going to double crochet in our double crochet. We're going to put 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space. We're going to put a double crochet in the single crochet. We're going to put 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space. Double crochet in the double crochet. And we're going to repeat that across until we get to the chain 2 space. So 3 double crochet in this chain 3 space. Double crochet in the single crochet. 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space. Double crochet in the next double crochet. And now we're at our chain 2 space. We are going to put 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space. And then we're going to put 2 double crochet in our last double crochet. And that is the end of row 19. And now you have everything you need to continue making this asymmetric shawl. So to continue in pattern, you're going to repeat row 4 through 19 4 times. And then you're going to go ahead and repeat rows 4 through 13 one more time and fasten off your yarn, or just continue going until you run out of yarn. As you continue in pattern, your piece will continue to get wider and wider as we continue increasing 1 stitch per row on the right side, and you'll get a lovely shawl like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions down below, or shoot me an email at info@mandobug.com. Make sure you share your finished shawls on social media by tagging me at Mandobug and using the hashtag Simple Asymmetric Mohair Shawl. Until next time guys, happy crafting. Bye!